Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, over to the speed test and RAM management test comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus the OnePlus 8T device. As you can see, friends, POCO F3 GT has got the Dimensity 1200, and whereas the OnePlus 8T has got the Snapdragon 865 chipset. Let's see which phone is really optimized for the multitasking and which phone is really faster in terms of opening these basic applications only. As you can see, which we use every day. So these are the normal applications which I'm going to test in this kind of video. Let's see, friends, which phone will be able to perform the best in terms of the multitasking and the speed test. So first, let's start the test by doing the simple reboot. So then we'll be able to continue with the rest of the test as well. And this is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison between both phones, and recently I started to include the OnePlus 8T as well, and plenty of users they actually want this kind of side-by-side comparison between these two devices. So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of comparison. So just to let you know how well the both phones are going to perform in this kind of side-by-side comparison. Right now, let's see in the reboot test which phone is the winner. I think, as you can see, the OnePlus 8T did reboot faster, not bad at all overall. And next, the POCO F3 GT did restart next. And next, first step is to check the Wi-Fi connection. Which phone is connected to the what kind of Wi-Fi network? Let me quickly go to the Wi-Fi connectivity. In both phones, as you can see, both phones are connected to the same 2.4 GHz. That's perfectly done, as you can see, friends, clearly. So these are the overall 15 applications which I am going to test right now in this kind of speed test and the RAM management test comparison, as you can see, friends, clearly. So let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. And background apps are completely clean, as you can see, in both phones, completely clean, no issues. Let's start with the first application, which is the Google Chrome. Google Chrome first in the POCO F3 GT it get loaded. Next application is the speed test. Also, first it got loaded in the POCO F3 GT, as you can see, no issues. And I try to keep this kind of scores in the background, as you can see. I'm not going to do any kind of speed test. Wi-Fi, not bad. I'll try to keep these games in the both background. Next is a Flipkart. Flipkart also no issues. Let's keep the mobile phones in the background. Next is a YouTube. Not bad, YouTube also, okay. Next is the Gaana. First, the OnePlus 8T did load this Gaana application, as you can clearly see here. OnePlus 8T, just a little bit, no issues. Next is Zoom. No, all good. Both phones are really good in the Zoom also. No issues even now. And next is a Gallery. Gallery, both phones are fast. And Calculator, I try to keep this in the background. Fantastic. And next is the camera. Let's see the camera. I think both phones kind of good, no issues. And Prime Videos, I think slightly a little bit kind of faster, maybe in the OnePlus 8T, maybe just not much, just a little. And POCO F3 GT did load first. And Facebook, sorry for this, yep, not bad, both are kind of same. Finally, Myntra application. Let's see the Myntra, not bad. So both phones did load at the same time. Most of the applications, there is nothing much difference you can actually expect in the day-to-day usage when you're trying to use the both phones. So these are the basic applications only which I thought of including just to test the RAM management, whether which phone can actually store these 15 applications in the background. Right now, as you can see, friends, all the applications are completely loaded in the background. Everything, as you can clearly see here, in the POCO F3 GT as well. So now let's get started with this kind of RAM management test. So let's come back from the back side. I'm trying to come opening one by one application. As you can see, both phones are able to open faster without even getting reloaded. So not bad. So first row has been finished successfully. Next is a Calculator row. Gallery also no issues. YouTube Music, yep. Zoom, not bad. And the Gaana, no issues. So two rows were successfully opened in both phones without any kind of problem. POCO F3 GT and the OnePlus 8T device. As you can see, friends, next is the YouTube. Let's see the YouTube. No issues. Yeah, YouTube also opened quite good. As you can see, friends, total I think close to 12 applications in both phones. Play Store, 13 applications, not bad. So 14 speed test. And finally, which is the Chrome. Let me try to open from the multitasking. So yes, 1, 2, 3. Finally, yes. So for the 15 applications, it should not be that much kind of big issue in the OnePlus 8T or the POCO F3 GT. You should be able to easily handle this kind of 15 applications in the background without any kind of problem at all. So there's another way of doing, which is extreme level RAM management, keeping this all apps open in the background for 15 to 20 minutes of time, and then again testing the RAM management. That is another extreme level. I'll try to do that kind of extreme level as soon as possible. This is just the basic speed test which are just letting you know. So for the normal applications, you won't be able to notice much difference difference between both phones in terms of the performance wise. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a very short and sweet. I just want to keep within this kind of time frame, about 5 minutes, because a lot of users are actually complaining that my videos are too long and they don't have the mobile data to watch the long and lengthy video. That is the reason I was a little bit faster. But thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. I'll be back with another speed test as well between both phones very soon, as soon as possible, maybe tomorrow. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.